Introduction. The text coming home from Vesna Marais describes a young woman returning to her hometown Mostar in Bosnia after 4 years of living in the UK. She left during the Bosnian War in 1992. On her journey back, she experiences strong emotions, memories, and excitement, but also fear and uncertainty. When she reaches her home, she realizes that war has changed everything, and she herself has also changed. Her hometown now feels smaller and different, showing how both places and people are transformed by time and war. Summary. The autobiography Coming Home is written by Vesna Marais. It is about a girl who had to leave her hometown Mostar in Bosnia in 1992 when the Bosnian War started. She was only 16 years old at that time and had to move to the United Kingdom. After living in the UK for 4 years, she decides to return home. The journey begins when she enters Croatia early in the morning. Everything around her feels very beautiful and peaceful. She notices the blue sky, the calm sea, and small islands that look like shiny metal in water. These sights make her feel emotional and happy. When she reaches Split, she smells sea, fish, coffee, and traffic all mixed together. She pays close attention to every smell and sound because everything feels special to her after a long time away. She feels tired from her journey, but drinking coffee makes her feel awake and excited. She becomes a little dizzy because of caffeine and tiredness. She washes her face, leaves her heavy bag in a kiosk, and walks around the busy streets. She feels a strong desire to go home quickly and reconnect with her family and friends. She uses her telephone card to call her mother. Her mother is extremely happy to hear her voice, and the writer also feels emotional and joyful. She also calls a close friend who does not know she is returning. These phone calls make her feel more connected to her past life. As she travels closer to Mostar, she hears people saying that the city has been badly damaged in the war. They say that almost everything has been destroyed, including buildings, houses, and the famous bridge. However, she does not want to believe this yet. She still hopes things might look the same. When the bus reaches her hometown valley, everything looks normal from far away. This gives her hope, but people tell her that everything has been destroyed inside the city. She feels nervous but also excited. Two old women talk to her and ask how long she has been away. When she says 4 years, they feel sympathy and say that life was very hard during the war. This shows how much suffering the people have gone through. Finally, she reaches her stop and sees her mother waiting for her. They run towards each other and hug tightly. This emotional meeting shows deep love and relief. It feels like they are trying to become one again after a long separation. However, when she walks through her hometown, she notices something shocking. Everything looks smaller than before. Streets feel narrow and houses look tiny. She realizes that it is not the city that has changed only, but also herself. She has grown older, and her memories of the place are different now. Time and war have changed both the place and the person. Answers with questions written. A1. How does the writer capture her first impressions of Croatia on arrival in Split? Answer. She describes beautiful sights, smells of sea, coffee, fish, and a calm blue sky, showing strong emotions and excitement. A2. What are the writer's thoughts and feelings as she gets closer to her final destination? Answer. She feels excited, nervous, emotional, and eager to reach home, but also uncertain about changes caused by war. A3. What is so unexpected and different about the writer's first sight of Mostar? Answer. She realizes that the city looks smaller, damaged, and changed because of war and because she has also grown older. A4. How have the years since the outbreak of the war changed the writer's perspective? Answer. She understands that both the city and her memories have changed, and everything feels different from what she remembered. B1. Why does the writer use the second-person pronoun, you? Answer. To make the reader feel as if they are experiencing the journey themselves. B1b. What is the effect of this? Answer. It creates a strong emotional connection and makes the experience feel more personal and real. B2 examples of 5 senses in the first paragraph. Answer. She describes smells of sea, fish, coffee, traffic, and visual images like blue sky and shining sea. C1. How does perspective and tense suggest shared experience? Answer. The use of you and present description makes it feel like many people share the same experience of returning home after war. C2. How difficult is it for the writer to return home? Answer. It is very difficult because she feels emotional, sees destruction, and realizes both her home and herself have changed. Grammar, vocabulary exercises. Glossary meanings. Mercury. A heavy silvery liquid metal. Hefty. Very heavy or large. Giddy. Feeling dizzy or lightheaded. Triggered. Started or caused something to happen. Rubble. Broken pieces of buildings or stone. Lilliputian. Very small, like in Gulliver's Travels. Language understanding task pre-written. Task idea, from text understand unfamiliar words and context. Answer. The text uses descriptive words and emotional language to show feelings of return, memory, and change after war. Perspective exercise rewrite task example. Original idea, change paragraph into first person. Answer example rewrite in first person. I entered Croatia at around subah ke 4 baje. It felt like the most beautiful moment of my life. The sky was deep blue and the sea reflected light. I felt emotional and excited. Important MCQs. Who wrote the text? A. Alice Pung. B. Vesna Marais. C. Moja Kaf. D. John Keats. Answer B. Vesna Marais. Where is Mostar located? A. Syria. B. Bosnia. C. UK. D. USA. Answer B. Bosnia. When did she leave her home? A. 1990. B. 1992. C. 1995. D. 2000. Answer B. 1992. Why did she leave? A. Study. B. War. C. Travel. D. Job. Answer B. War. How old was she when she left? A. 10. B. 12. C. 16. D. 20. Answer C. 16. Where did she live after leaving? A. USA. B. UK. C. France. D. Germany. Answer B. UK. What country does she enter first? A. Italy. B. Croatia. C. Spain. D. Greece. Answer B. Croatia. What time does she enter Croatia? A. Morning. B. Afternoon. C. Night. D. सुबह के 4 बजे. Answer D. सुबह के 4 बजे. What is the sky described as? A. Red. B. Deep bruise blue. C. Grey. D. Black. Answer B. Deep bruise blue. What does she smell in Split? A. Smoke. B. C. Fish, coffee, traffic. C. Flowers. D. Perfume. Answer B. C. Fish, coffee, traffic. What does she drink? A. Tea. B. Juice. C. Espresso. D. Milk. Answer C. Espresso. Why does she feel giddy? A. Hunger. B. Coffee and tiredness. C. Fear. D. Cold. Answer B. Coffee and tiredness. Where does she leave her bag? A. Hotel. B. Station. C. Kiosk. D. Car. Answer C. Kiosk. What does she buy? A. Ticket. B. Phone card. C. Book. D. Food. Answer B. Phone card. Who does she call first? A. Friend. B. Mother. C. Teacher. D. Brother. Answer B. Mother. How does her mother feel? A. Angry. B. Sad. C. Happy. D. Confused. Answer C. Happy. What do people say about Mostar? A. Beautiful. B. Damaged. C. Modern. D. Empty. Answer B. Damaged. What is destroyed? A. Schools. B. Bridge and buildings. C. Cars. D. Shops only. Answer B. Bridge and buildings. What does she not want to think about? A. Food. B. Damage. C. Friends. D. Travel. Answer B. Damage. What do old women say? A. Go away. B. Life was hard. C. Be happy. D. Stay home. Answer B. Life was hard. Who is waiting for her? A. Friend. B. Mother. C. Teacher. D. Brother. Answer B. Mother. How do they meet? A. Shake hands. B. Hug tightly. C. Wave. D. Cry alone. Answer B. Hug tightly. What feels smaller? A. Sky. B. Houses and streets. C. Rivers. D. Cars. Answer B. Houses and streets. What does she realize? A. She is the same. B. She has changed. C. Nothing changed. D. She is lost. Answer B. She has changed. What is me theme? A. Sports. B. War and return home. C. Science. D. Travel fun. Answer B. War and return home. What pronoun is used? A. I. B. He. C. You. D. They. Answer C. You. Why use you? A. To confuse. B. To involve reader. C. To shorten text. D. To make funny. Answer B. To involve reader. What feeling is strong in text? A. Joy only. B. Emotional written. C. Anger. D. Humor. Answer B. Emotional written. What is Mosta known for? A. Desert. B. Old bridge. C. Forest. D. Airport. Answer B. Old bridge. What changes most? A. Weather. B. Memory and perspective. C. Food. D. Clothes. Answer B. Memory and perspective.